Today we're making a keto Cajun Dirty Rice and we're talking about a keto substitute for rice. Let's go!
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired.
When you're on the keto diet, to make it easy, you need good substitutes for things like tortillas, your pasta, and rice. In the past, I've used pasta dough as a rice substitute. I have used tortillas just cut up small or shredded. And I've also used any kind of dough, like if I had extra for a pie crust. If hemp hearts is something that you would like to try, click on this link now and you will see how to prepare it. And so many of you now have experience with the flourless egg white tortilla recipe that I posted a while ago. So I'm using that dough today. And if that's your choice, click on this link now. The method is a little bit different though, so I'll show you that first, and after that we will do a keto Cajun Dirty Rice. Remember, the nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. If you're using my tortilla recipe, I used 90 grams of the tortilla dough, which equates to 1 tortilla or a third of the dough. Using a microplane grater, run the dough back and forth. You can even do this with a wrap or a soft tortilla, and some people even use mashed up egg whites. Once all the dough is grated, I let it dehydrate in the oven on the lowest setting for an hour, and now let's make the keto Cajun Dirty Rice. Over a medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then a half cup of diced bacon, and saute that until it's a little brown. Next, add a half a cup of ground beef or mince and break up the meat and let that brown, stirring occasionally. Now for a little vegetables, I added 1 tablespoon of scallion or spring onion, 2 tablespoons of diced red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of diced celery, and to flavor the dish I added half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Cajun Seasoning, and mix that until combined. And for a little sauce I went with 1/3 of a cup of beef stock. Let that simmer so the stock can reduce and thicken, and this is how mine turned out. You don't want it to be completely dry, but you don't want too much liquid because the rice will get soggy. Add the rice and 1 tablespoon of fresh spring onion or scallion, stir, and voila! Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and get to make keto Cajun Dirty Rice with the rice of your choice for keto. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.